Hello children, I am Sumati madam. In the previous video, I have discussed about the lesson 9 transport. In this video, I will discuss the question answers. Fill in the blanks, true or false, multiple choice questions. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, the invention of the Dash engine, steam engine, made it possible to replace cars driven by animals. Roads connecting major cities are called highways. The fast train in India run from Bombay to Thane. 4. If you were going on ship from India to France, your ship would pass through the Suez Canal. The Wright brothers, number 5, the Wright brothers were the first to fly an aeroplane. Number 6, underground railway for travel within a city called metro. Then true or false. Number 1, steam engine were only used for land transport. False. Number 2, the trains running between England and France travel through a tunnel under the seabed. True. Almost all goods exported from India are sent on ship. True. Perishable goods are best transported by air. True. Number 5, the Panama Canal links the Pacific Ocean with the Indian Ocean. False. Number 6, the steam engine was invented by James Watt. True. Number 7, most trains and ships today use steam engines. False. Number 8, improving public transport can reduce congestion on the road. True. Then multiple choice. Number 1, people started using carts driven by animals after the invention of the wheel. Number 1, answer A. Number 2, which of these have engines? Answer D, all of these, means buses, aeroplanes, ships. Number 3, which of these is the cheapest method of transporting goods over long distance? Answer C, ship. Number 4, while coming from Europe to India by sea, ships travel through which canals to reduce travel distance? Answer B, Suez Canal. Then the advantage of the metro is all of these means the reducing traffic on roads, reducing air pollution, reducing travel time. Now we'll question answer. See all of your book. Question number 1, why were better roads needed after the invention of the steam engine? Answer, after the invention of the steam engine, the vehicles became faster. So, the roads were needed to be harder, smoother and better. Question number 2, what are the advantages of a modern highways? The advantages of modern highways are, number 1, point wise you write. The modern highways are connected with important cities. Number 2, vehicles can travel very fast for long distance without stopping. 3, India is also connected by road to its neighboring countries. Question number 3, name 3 major ports of India. Answer, Chennai, Mumbai and Kolkata. Question number 4, trace the history of water transport. Earlier people used rafts, boats and sailboats to carry loads with the invention of steam engine, water transport also underwent a revolution. Ships became larger and faster. Today, most ships are driven by diesel engine. Number 5. What are the advantages of transporting goods by water transport? The advantages of transporting goods by water transports are as follows. Number 1 a single ship can carry as much cargo as thousands of trucks or aircrafts. Number 2 transport by ship is much cheaper than the roads or air transport. Point 3. Nowadays, ships that carry goods designed to carry only one type of goods, for example, food grains or petroleum. Question number 6. How did the construction of the Suez Canal affect sea travel from India to Europe? Ships from India traveling to Europe now go through the Suez Canal. They no longer have to go around Africa to reach Europe. It is because the Suez Canal links the Mediterranean Sea with the Red Sea. Question number 7. Who was the first to fly an aeroplane? Describe the first flight. Wright brothers were the first to fly an aeroplane. The first flight was called Flyer 1 and it lasted about 12 seconds for a distance of less than 40 meters. Question number 8. What are the advantages and disadvantages of air travel? Advantages of air travel. Point 1. Modern aeroplanes can carry a few hundred passengers and travel at about 800 km per hour. Number 2. Aeroplane can fly over any kind of land or water, deserts, mountain or vast oceans. Disadvantages of air. Traveling by airways is the most expensive means of transport. Number 2. Air transport is prone to accidents. Number 3. It is difficult to carry bulky goods. Question number 9. What problems has improvement of road transport caused? Increase in vehicles in cities has caused congestions on the roads, leading to pollution and accidents. People also waste more time traveling. So children, I have given all the question answer. You all write all the question answer in your copy, both question and answer. Thank you.